In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Today, inshallah, we will begin a new lesson, lesson 5 in Unit 8, titled, Where Do Animals Build Homes? After studying this lesson, students should be able to listen to information about animal homes, read an information text and answer questions, discuss an information text, answer questions. We have here in this lesson some new vocabulary: beavers, tunnel, rabbit, hole, fox, enemy. Where do animals build homes? Now, my students, open your Learner's Book, page 112, Unit 8, Lesson 5. Where do animals build homes? Here, my students, we are going to talk about some information about where do animals build homes. Now, exercise number 1, before you read, we should work in groups of 3. Each person in the group reads one of the texts: rabbit homes, then share what you have learned with children who read the other texts. Now, let us listen to the rabbit's home, then we will discuss.
Where do animals build homes? Rabbit homes. Most rabbits build their home under the ground. A rabbit home has lots of tunnels. Some tunnels lead to rooms where the rabbits sleep. There are special rooms for baby rabbits and their mother. Every rabbit home has lots of rabbit holes. The rabbits use these holes to go in and out. When a rabbit sees a fox or other enemy, it stamps on the ground with its back foot. The other rabbits hear the sound. They run down a rabbit hole. A rabbit home keeps rabbits warm, dry, and safe from enemies. Beaver homes. Beavers build homes from branches, rocks, and mud. They build their home in the middle of a pond. The beavers cut down trees with their sharp teeth. They make a huge pile of branches. The beavers build a living room in the middle of their home. The floor of the room is above the water. The beavers and their babies live in this room. It is warm and dry. Beavers enter their home through underwater doors. This keeps their home safe from wolves and other enemies. The beaver's home keeps beavers safe, dry, and warm all year long. Termite homes. The tallest animal home is built by tiny insects called termites. The termites use mud to build their homes. Some termites build huge towers. They live in the towers and in the ground below. The termite's home has lots of tunnels and rooms. In the middle of the home, there is a room for the queen. The queen lays eggs. Some termites build rooms that are gardens. They grow a special mushroom in these gardens. The termites eat these mushrooms. The termites build air holes to keep their home cool when the weather is hot.
Now, exercise 3, page 115. 115. Share your information. Here, meet in your group of 3. Answer these questions about rabbits, beavers, and termites. Now we have 5 questions. You should make a table to compare between the 3 groups of animals. Now take 5 minutes to fill the table. You should tell me, where does your animal build its home? What is the home made of? Does it have rooms? Who lives in the rooms? Why is it a good home? Yes, that's right. Here is the answer. This is the table of answer. Now, my students, move to exercise number 4. Which animal home? Here we have 6 questions. Answer these questions with your group. The first question, which animal home has a garden inside? Yes, the termites home. Number 2, which animal home is made of wood? Beaver's home. Which animal home has doors under the water? Beaver's home. Which animal stamps its foot when it sees an enemy? Rabbit. Which animal home looks like a beehive house? Termites home. Which animal's enemy is a fox? Rabbit. The last issue here, look at the language detective. Cool means quite cold, but not too cold. Find a word in the text which means quite hot, but not too hot. It begins with the letter W. Yes, warm. W-A-R-M, warm. Here in the blue box, words to remember. Find these words in the story. They're down middle with practice spelling them. Now, my students, we finish our lesson. I hope you enjoy this new information about animal houses, or where do animals build homes. See you next time, inshallah.